Yes, if you've seen the title, I survived it. My friend also survived it. So anyone that prayed for me yesterday, anyone that mentioned my name randomly or out of the blue, anyone that watched my video was a sign of prayer to save my life and my friend's life yesterday. What am I talking about? So my friend and I, his name is Dennis, he's a lab technician and he wanted to take pictures. And I was like, bro, I'll take it for you, don't worry. So we plan to have the pictures on the 3rd of July, which was yesterday. We chose the location as the beach, and yeah, it was close to both of us, so it's like the center of both of us. So yeah, we came to location, and then this is where we have to cross. There is this lagoon here that everyone walks through. You know, at the tips of the lagoon, it's not really deep, it's shallow, so everyone has to walk through it and go to the other side of the beach. So we chose the location to be the other side where we have to walk in the lagoon. As you can see, people are walking in it. So when we came, we walked, we crossed it, and then we went to the other side. We took the pictures, we had so much fun, we did everything right. We packed and then we were coming back. So when we were coming, I was like, Dennis, I'm not going to cross this again with my clothes on because I'm going to be on a commercial bus, so I don't want to get wet. So I'm going to put everything in my bag so you can carry the bag and then you walk through it. I will swim and cross. So I took off all my clothes, put it in the bag where I had the camera, I had my phone, I had my wallet, I had every ID. Every single ID. I had my microphones, I had one hard drive in it, and all my memory cards or SD cards for the video. I put everything in one bag. And he's like, okay, to prevent him from getting soaked, he's going to carry it and cross. But I'm swimming across. I can swim, so yeah. We got to the location where we have to cross by walking. Same as we went there by walking through the lagoon. But not knowing, we didn't go through the right place. But though I could swim, I was comfortable in the water, but my friend was drowning. So this is my friend Dennis. As I said, I'll come to his office. Yeah, he's almost closing, so no problems at all. He's going to share his side of the story as well, and you also listen. It was a big tragedy, but yeah, we thank God for our lives. We are back to life. So Dennis, I want you to just share your experience, like what you went through as your personality. Yeah.
Alright, so the whole issue is I'll be celebrating my birthday soon. I decided to call my friends so we come and take a few pictures of me. I posted it on my birthday. So we went to the seaside. When we were going, it was okay. The water level wasn't that high.
That's like the lagoon.
The lagoon, it wasn't that high. So we were able to cross, take the pictures. But when we were coming back, as we were crossing, I could feel that it was becoming deeper and deeper and deeper. And items were with me, mobile phone, camera, valuable items. And so, because I wasn't able to cross it, I left it. Started suffering in the water. With the help of some friends, they were able to push me out, but we lost everything. Virtually everything.
Yeah, his phone is also gone. Yeah.
All the items we sent to the seaside. Yeah. We lost everything. Yeah, it's like we are back to ground zero.
Right. So, yeah, as I said, that's the side of the story too. I hope he doesn't have water in his lungs.
I think I'll be having, because I drank a lot of the seawater. I drank a lot of it.
Yeah,
it was a terrible experience.
It was really terrible, but yeah, we are back to life. Dennis was drowning, so he left the bag that contained all the cameras, and yeah, I had to save him. I tried my best. I was trying to save him. And with the little technique I know, is you need to go behind him and help him come up. So the moment I went down to go behind him, he had his hand around my neck. That's when someone sitting outside saw, and he was like, "Oh bro, I need to come and help you guys." He jumped in the water and then tried to push us out of the water. That was so difficult for me to help myself and even help my friend. Finally, we struggled in the water. We tried our best. We did everything. We came out. So when we came out, we were standing at the shore right there. I don't know if you guys can see it well. Yeah, we were standing right there. And then I was asking him, "Dennis, are you okay? Is everything fine? Did you like swallow some water? Is your lungs filled with water?" And he being a lab technician, I mean, he has knowledge about all these. He was like, "He's fine, he's cool." And then I remember that, no, I gave him my bag, which contained the cameras, my clothes, my phone, my wallet, everything, like my whole life. It was like I left all this with him and it's gone. So not knowing everything was in the lagoon, I called people from the other side of the lagoon to help. They jumped into it. They searched. Nobody found it. Nobody found the bag. But yeah, we survived. Like, that's the most important thing. We survived. We have life now. That's we can get all these things back. So I lost my phone, I lost my wallet, I lost all my IDs, like every single ID I have. I think I have my passport. Yeah, so all my electronics are gone. Right now, as I'm filming this video, I'm using my cousin's phone to film this video. And everything is gone. Like, Dennis' phone also is gone. Yeah, so we don't have anything. I don't have anything to even film with. Nothing. No electronic, nothing. It's like I've been reborn. Like, I've been reborn with nothing. Yeah, but we just thank God for life. Like, we are alive and we can do all this again. It took me 2 years to get all that I had, and it took 1 second to lose them. But yeah, I know it's going to be hard, but what I pray for is life, long life. So you guys didn't hear any bad news, and yes, we survived it. Yeah, so I want to use this medium as well to say a very big thank you that I'm back to life. And if you are an influencer, a YouTuber, a TikToker, if you're seeing this video now, if you're a subscriber, you're part of the family. If you're seeing this video now, please, and please again, I want you to come to my aid, because I have nothing. I had so much money on me as well. I had to go to the bank to take so much money for today. And everything was in the bag as well. Everything was in the bag. So I lost everything. So if you're watching me right now, please, I don't even have 5 cedis or $1 in my accounts. Like, I'm drained. So I really want to say, pleading with you guys, if you're watching me right now, I want you to support me with just $1, so that at least I can get a camera or a phone to go back to filming. And also, one thing I left out, I borrowed a lens from a friend. And that lens is also gone. So I'm in big trouble right now. Like, I don't know what to do to myself, but I'll still stay strong, and I know my family, you watching me right now, will come to my aid. It was a life and death matter, but we survived it. So this is what I'm bringing to you. I really want to say thank you so much. I really appreciate the love and support as always. I will bring my friend Dennis. I'll go to his job site. He works in a clinic up there the streets, so I'm gonna go there so he can say his part of the story. Yeah, so please come to our aid. We really want to plead with you. Support us and let's get these gears back. Thank you so much, and keep subscribing to the YouTube channel. I appreciate the love and support as always. It's your boy, NAPPIE.